Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and start the look off by priming our eyes. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I always use this as my base for my eyeshadows, and then I'm just going to set it with some translucent powder. I'm now going to go into the NYX Ultimate Bright Shadow Palette, and I'm going to take this light blue shade. I'm going to start working it all the way in the inner corner of my eyes. Just going halfway, like to the middle, not going all the way out through the crease, because we're going to be putting another shadow there in a second. I'm going to be going into this darker blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to pick up from where I left off from the lighter blue shadow that we first put on, and I'm just going to work this also into the crease. I'm going to also mesh the two shadows together, that way it's nice and blended. Now I'm going to start cutting my crease with some concealer. I know I do this technique all the time, but I like how it makes my eyes look. I like how it accentuates my eyes, and I like how the eyeshadow lays and how it looks after when you cut the crease. So that is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to be taking the Sephora Mixology palette. I believe this one is hot and spicy, and I'm going to go into that navy blue shadow, and we're going to start blending that on the outer corner of the eyes. Now I'm going to be picking up this silver tone eyeshadow right here, and this is going to go all over the lid. I really like this color and how it went with the blues. It just had like a iridescent blue glitter in the shadow, which pulled the look together. So far I am loving this palette. Now I'm going to moisturize. I'm using the matte moisturizer by Origins, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of eye cream underneath my eyes because I notice it's a little bit dry underneath there, and I want to make sure my makeup goes on smooth. I'm going to also apply primer. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in shade 355, and I'm just going to blend this out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender sponge. And I'm just going to set everything using my Airspun translucent powder. Now I'm going to go into the Moonchild palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to be taking Lucky Clover and Blue Ice, and I'm going to mix those together and just highlight practically everywhere on my face. So this is the completed I'm So Icy look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.